Once upon a time, in a lush forest, sunlight danced through the leafy canopy, illuminating a diverse tapestry of wildlife. Elephants trumpeted, lions prowled, and myriad creatures added to the vibrant symphony. Atop a branch, the wise owl exuded ancient wisdom through piercing eyes.
Hi. Welcome to my channel. This video is divided into 5 parts. Step 1. Collecting the script from ChatGPT. Step 2. Generating images using an AI image generator based on the script. Step 3. Animating the collected images. Step 4. Converting the text into speech. Step 5. Combining the video and audio using a video editor. Step 1. Head over to ChatGPT, input your imaginary story in the prompt section, and witness as ChatGPT effortlessly produces a script tailored to your narrative. Embark on your journey to ChatGPT and acquire the script for your fictional tale. Step 2. Navigate to the Leonardo AI image generator. If you're not familiar with this AI generator, please refer to the description for more information. Once you're there, proceed to copy and paste the script one by one that you have collected from ChatGPT, allowing them to come to life through this remarkable tool. After successfully creating the images, simply right-click on each image and choose the Save option to store them directly onto your system. Step 3. Proceed to LiaPix and upload the images obtained from the AI image generator by utilizing the plus symbol. With the assistance of LiaPix, you'll have the ability to modify the rotation direction, video timing, and other elements. Once you've completed the necessary adjustments, click on the Share option and select the MP4 format to save the video. Repeat this process for the remaining images. Step 4. Convert text-to-speech generation. Head over to 11 Labs and simply copy and paste your script. Select your desired language and voice from the available options. Double-check everything by clicking the play button to ensure accuracy.
Once upon a time, there was a vibrant forest teeming with a diverse community of animals. The forest was a harmonious place where each animal played a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature.
Once you're satisfied with the result, click on the Download option to obtain your audio file. Step 5. To merge the video and audio components, navigate to the InShot Editor and import both the video and audio files obtained from the AI tools. Utilize the various options provided by InShot to add animations and effects as desired. Before proceeding with the download, play the video once to ensure it meets your expectations. If everything looks satisfactory, click on the Save button to initiate the download of your finalized video.
Once upon a time, there was a vibrant forest teeming with a diverse community of animals. The forest was a harmonious place where each animal played a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. Wise old...
If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more AI tools.